Hey, I'm Aaron here at Everett Chevrolet here in Hickory, North Carolina with another Quick Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about four-wheel drive, how and when you should use your four-wheel drive, as the four-wheel drive option should not be left in continuous use. When four-wheel drive is engaged, the transfer case will send power from the rear wheels to the front wheels. For everyday driving situations, you should leave the truck in the 2-high drive mode. 4-high should be utilized in the heavy snow or in off-road conditions. 4-low should be utilized in the deep sand, deep mud, or other low traction situations. Automatic four-wheel drive should be used in variable conditions such as the rain or light snow. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please call 828-327-9171.